How to download AOL on your PC. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily download AOL application on your PC. So the first thing you're going to have to do is need an Android emulator like BlueStacks. Open up your web browser and simply search for BlueStacks download. Hit enter and click on this download button to download the installation file. Just run the file and it will automatically download BlueStacks for you. Once your BlueStacks is downloaded, just go ahead and open it up. So it's loading right now. I'm just going to wait for it to completely load up. Now, once your BlueStacks is open, you just want to head over to the My Games option, which is right here on top. Or you could just click on this home screen. And once you are on your home screen, go to System Apps, go to Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, just make sure to log in with your Google account. And once logged in, click on the search bar at the left and then go ahead and search for the app AOL Mail or just simply AOL and then hit enter. It will show you the app. Find the app. Now you can install it on your BlueStacks and start using it as if you're using it on your Android device. So here is the AOL app. Just click on this install button and you're good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next video.